Hi everybody, welcome back in the sheet metal workshop, and we are now in part 2 of sheet metal short examples. Well, I have here two examples. It's almost the same thing. The one is round and this is square. So it's about the seam. So this is connecting two metals together, and you see what kind of a seam this is. Here's looks how from the inside. So once we have it in round and once we have it folded with an angle of 90 degrees. So this looks like in the inside. I have here a stabilization corner made in it. So if you're dealing with machines and you have the possibility to fold only 1 meter and you want to connect a longer part box for more parts, well, this is a good technique to use because it makes also stabilize and keeps the thing in form. Okay, now let's start again. This one I'm gonna make the square one, and this is the round one. So first what I'm going to show is we have here the swage machine. So this is here the round one, so I'm gonna just put the swage in it. And now it will be done. So this was the example. Now before we go further, we're going to use these swage wheels for something else. Normally I could change them and put on these beading wheels. But to save time, there are some things you can do also with the swage wheels. That means you go up with this wheel, get in the front, go down, and pull it back until it bumps. Make it strong here, fast, and then I want to, for example, have 25 millimeters overlap. And now I'm just going a little bit more. So this is one. Second one. And the last one. So see, we have here 25 millimeter. Okay. So now I'm putting here these two metals on each other. And drill a hole. So now I'm gonna do, for the example, I'm gonna put on a third one. And I'm gonna mark it so I know what size it is. I'm gonna put this off, and we'll come back later again on this one. Okay, so I have the second method. I'm gonna make the same thing here what I did on this one. So these are the two examples. This is going to be the round one and this is going to be the square one. So we're going to continue with the squared one. So we're going to have here a size of 200. So I have here a size of 75 centimeters. So I'm going to give here 250. So these are just example sizes. So because I know 250, I'm going to put a hole on 28 centimeters here. And then another one here on 28. I'm going to take the snips and I'm going to snip this here. Okay, almost done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the folding machine, bending machine, and I'm just gonna, so I'm not going to press it, I'm just going to hold it only a little bit. So now I'm going to come back, put those screws out here, take the size scratcher and scratch 1 centimeter. So I have here the 1 centimeter, then back to the bending machine. Fold it 90 degrees. Set this here in. Also fold the other one. And now it's just putting it together. Okay, I folded here too much. And as you can see, we have here again nice seam. So this is actually good when you have long parts from 1 meter and maybe longer, and that's why only I have here drilled those holes a little bit further. But that doesn't matter, it's still good. And so it's about the seam. Now the other one is round, so we're gonna take here first this one and then we go to the rounding machine. And while we're putting it in the rounding machine, we're going to take out one screw. Before you do that, there's here this part, so I'm gonna open it a little bit more because we have here double material, so I'm gonna open it a little bit more. So once you're through here, I'm just gonna put in a screw. Put it out. Put it back in. So now the other side we'll also put out. And do the rest. And as you can see here, the seam is also, when it's around, very good, very tight. Okay. So if this is a 1 meter part, and now I'm gonna round this one, separated. So suppose it's longer, I can only do a 1 meter, so I did now 2 materials at once. So it's also possible after this one. That's why I have marked this before. So now I take a needle here and you see it's not the same. There is a little bit over, so it's not getting the hole. So what we do here is, I'm gonna change now the wheels on the swaging machine. I go maybe this far. So it looked like this. So we will see here now, it fits. So this is how it works, and now you can continue. You can always drill here one more if you want to. Okay guys, that's it. See you in the next video.